Okay, let's look at a video on how to calculate a GPA. Your college transcripts will have a GPA written on them usually, but that's for all the classes that you've ever taken in college. Some of these programs that you might look into, like the respiratory or the nursing programs or whatever it is, they may only want a GPA for a certain number of classes, the prereqs that they require and stuff. So I wanted to show you how to calculate those. Um, keep in mind that an A is going to earn you 4 points, a B will earn 3 points, a C at 2 points. Now, typically a D is going to earn 1 point, but for our programs here at BRTC, they don't count the D's as anything. Okay, it's a 0 point just like an F, but some programs will allow for 1 point for the D's. Okay, so let's say we have a C in a 3-credit course. A C is worth 2 points, and for each one of those credits, so we'll do 2 points times 3 and get 6. The next class we had an A for a 3-credit course. An A is worth 4 points, and it runs for 3 credits, so that's 12 points overall. Now this next class is a 4-credit course. Okay, most of the ones you're going to take are 3-credit classes, but sometimes those science classes come with a lab, and so they'll run those as a 4-credit class. They're going to count for more. Okay, so that B that we earned is 3 points, and we get to multiply by the 4 credits to get 12. Okay, so do that with all of those classes. Run out your points times your credits, and then all these numbers here at the end, we're going to add them together and get 51 points. Okay, so 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 9 plus 12 is going to give us 51 points. Now, that is not our GPA. Okay, that's the points that we've earned for all of these classes, but we need to figure out how many credits that was. Okay, so let's tally up the 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3, and we get 16 credits. Okay, so for 16 credits, we got 51 points. Now, to calculate the GPA, you're going to take the points and divide it by the credits. All right, so 51 points divided by 16 credits is going to get you a 3.1875 GPA. Now, typically when people talk about their GPA, they'll round it to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this one in particular would be a 3.19 GPA. But sometimes what you may find for some of these programs that you try to get into, it's so hard to get into them that they will run that GPA out to 4 decimal places or 6 decimal places just to get it to be a little bit more accurate.